and which point would we regard as our second point. So if I then decide that A is my first point, then I'm going to say, since this is my x value and my y value of my point, I'm going to say this is x1 and this is y1. Why? Because this is regarded as my first point. So I'm going to say x1, y1. Moving right along. Since this then is my second point, I'm going to say this is x2 and this is y2. So it's very important to label and identify these points. Okay, since this is my x and my y, and I'm saying it's my first point, this is x1, y1. This is my second point, so that means x2, y2. Okay. Now you are allowed to say this is your second and this is your first. Remember, if you say this is your second, it means you need to say x2, y2. If you say this is your first, then it must be x1, y1. And all you simply do is you come to this formula and you substitute after you've identified your points. And it's nice when you've identified, because all you do is you simply substitute. So y2, look, is what? Is 2. Then in your formula you have a minus sign. So you write your minus sign because it's in the formula. What's y1? It is 5 over x2. What is x2? x2 is 15. Followed by a minus sign in the formula. What's x1? x1 is 12. Then all you do, guys, is you say 2 minus 5 is negative 3. 15 minus 12 is positive 3. And then when you simplify this fraction, you simply say a negative divided by a positive is negative. Okay, because with signs, guys, a negative divided by a positive number will give you a negative sign. And then you go to the number 3 divided by 3 is 1. So that means our gradient between these 2 points, our